If I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create Bison round tip sirloin, 1.2 pounds. I cooked so many of these, so I'm going to try something different. What I have here, I pat it dry. I'm going to put some salt, and I'm going to go with some Iceland salt, birch smoked salt. You can use any type of salt. Link in the description where I got the salt. Some black pepper, ground pepper. And you're going to do exactly the same on the other side, okay? And I'm going to go with some garlic powder. Not garlic salt, garlic powder. Let's make this baby delicious. And you do the same on the other side. Let me rub it up. Bison is very lean, and salt tends to dry meat more. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the reverse osmosis, which means I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes. So once the salt dries the water, the liquid from the bison, after 10 minutes, it starts releasing it back and make it tender. In addition to that, I have the Ziploc bag with about quarter of a cup of vinegar. Doesn't matter what color the vinegar, if it's white or apple cider. And I'm going to put this baby in there. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it sit. I didn't put the vinegar on top because I don't want the vinegar to wash out the salt and the pepper and the garlic powder. So you're going to roll it so everything's centralized. Let it sit so it gets to full room temperature, although this one was already kind of room temperature. And let it sit for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to get some all-purpose flour. And I'm going to put some here. Let's see, I have 1 tablespoon. Let's make it 2, 3 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some baking powder, teaspoon, a teaspoon, just a teaspoon. Some turmeric. This one I'm going to sprinkle some, just sprinkle. And I have some smoked paprika, sprinkle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix everything well. And this is going to, what I'm doing is I'm going to bread it. So I'm doing something different. I'm going to bread this baby. Because I cook it so many different ways. And this is going to give it a nice color, nice smell. Now it's time to get this baby breaded. You don't need egg or anything like that because the vinegar is going to provide the liquid necessary to get this breaded. The flour and the stuff here. You do this, turn it around, and make sure it's breaded completely, okay? Don't leave any space, just bread it well. See? So I have a large pan because the steak is so big I need a regular large pan. My cast irons are not big enough unless I want to grill it. And I have some oil. See? Preheating. And I'm going to add from the bag the vinegar. Why not, right? Nice smell, nice flavor, nice everything. Let it heat up for a little bit. Let it heat up. And you're going to add the steak, the bison. This one is relatively thick, it's about an inch. Two or three notches above medium, which is medium high. Don't move it, leave it alone. It's about 3 minutes on one side before you flip it. About 3 minutes later, is that beautiful? Get it out and put it to rest. And you're going to let this baby rest for about 7-8 minutes. So I have a bed of potatoes, which I could see how thin they are. They're round. Cook it for about maybe 20 minutes. Medium heat to low heat. Combination of both. Let me put some thyme. Let me sprinkle this with some thyme. Ooh, this aromatics, huh? And now it's time to bring this baby. And a little bit of dry parsley. Sprinkle it around.